Welcome to Dallas, Texas, the heart of the Lone Star State and one of the most vibrant and rapidly growing cities in the United States.
Known for its striking skyline, deep rooted history, and a unique blend of modern and traditional architecture, Dallas offers a fascinating story that's waiting to be explored. Let's dive into history and geography. Dallas, located in north central Texas and is the largest metroplex in Texas and ninth largest city in the United States. Founded in 1841, it started as a small trading post along the Trinity River and quickly grew into a bustling center for commerce, ranching, and oil. The city's strategic location made it a hub for railroads in the late 19th century. And as industries like cotton and oil boomed, so did Dallas. Today, it's a global city, famous for its financial services, technology, healthcare, and of course, its cultural diversity. Now, let's talk about the architecture that makes Dallas stand out. The city boasts a rich tapestry of styles, from Art Deco and Beaux Arts to sleek modernism. One of the city's most iconic buildings is the Bank of America Plaza, with its glowing green outline, a symbol of Dallas' financial prowess. The AT&T Performing Arts Center, located in the Dallas Art District, represents the city's commitment to arts and culture. Designed with modern aesthetics, and this center is a testament to Dallas' innovative architectural vision. And of course, you cannot talk about Dallas without mentioning Reunion Tower, one of the most recognizable landmarks in the city. Built in 1978 and standing at 561 feet tall, this geodeck observation tower offers 300-degree views of the Dallas skyline. From here, you can see the entire city stretch out below you, from the downtown skyscrapers to the suburbs beyond. Reunion Tower's LED lights are a signature feature, illuminating the night sky with different colors and patterns for special events. Another architectural marvel is the Margaret Hill Bridge. Designed by the world-famous Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava, opened in 2012, this bridge spans the Trinity River and serves as a stunning gateway to downtown Dallas. This elegant arc, soaring 400 feet into the air, has become a symbol of Dallas' modern transformation. The bridge isn't just a means of transportation. It's a piece of art, blending engineering and design seamlessly into the cityscape. Dallas' largest ethnic group is the Hispanic and Latino community, making up 42% of the population, with cultural roots in Mexico and Latin America. African Americans represent 24%, contributing to the city's music and cultural heritage. Asian Americans, around 4%, bring diverse influences from Vietnam, India, China, and Korea. Other groups include Middle Eastern, Native American, and European communities, adding to the city's multicultural fabric. Religiously, over 70% of Dallas residents identify as Christian. The Muslim community is also growing, with mosques and Islamic centers fostering interfaith unity. Dallas' story is also part of a larger narrative, that of Texas. Known for its vast landscapes and larger-than-life character, Texas has always stood for independence, resilience, and ambition. From the days of the Wild West to the oil boom, and now as a global leader in technology and energy, Dallas plays a central role in the ongoing development of the Lone Star State. Whether you are here to take in the views from Reunion Tower, marvel at the Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge, or explore the vibrant neighborhoods that make Dallas unique, this city promises an experience like no other. Dallas, where history meets the future and tradition meets innovation. Come and discover the spirit of this incredible city for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Dallas. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures. See you in the next one.